Hello guys, welcome back. Today I got some scrap items for our new project. I will show them all to you. Oh, how this toy guys. This look really cute guys. And this one is also cool. Wow, here is a super hand fan. Oh guys, here is another super toy. Oh, I think these are very expensive. Let's check if they are worth. Oh, this is a broken toy guys. And a broken cord. Oh, this is an awesome item guys. How is this item? Did you like it? Oh, what's this? I think this is a part of a car. Anyway, this is actually good. It's a super toy. And how is this item guys? I built this from scrap materials. This is a light sensor. And now I will show you an awesome idea guys. Oh, what do you think about my tie fan? Did you like it? And here is one more engine part. Wow, nice. And now let's see if it works guys. Oh, these need 3 batteries. Oh, wow, nice music guys. Oh, this is a beautiful toy and kids will really love it. Did you see its eyes moving? We really have to appreciate the person who made this. Oh, both hands are not working guys. Both hands are broken. But the build quality is excellent. And this is a broken ribbon guys. Seeing this, I got an idea. Did you like this fan? And now let's check out the super toy. Oh, this is very funny toy guys. Anyway, the music is very good. And now let's check out this toy. Wow, very nice. Oh, we need a darker place to see the lights clearly guys. This is a fantastic toy guys. Oh, all the scrap items we got today are amazing. Oh my god, the speaker is working. How is this simple fan I made from scrap guys? And now let's check out the last item guys. Oh, this is also awesome. Oh, I'm so lucky to get an item like this from scrap, guys. See you soon with more new scrap items. Bye for now, guys.